Welcome to Lecture 18 in the free Mastering AI Prompts course. In this lesson, we'll learn about the power of marketing funnels. In the world of online sales, marketing funnels are essential. Affiliates use these funnels to guide potential customers through a journey, capturing their emails and leading them to valuable offers. This process starts with awareness and ends with conversion, ensuring that every step adds value to the viewer's inquiry. Imagine a funnel. At the top, it's wide. This represents all potential customers. As the funnel narrows, customers move through stages. Finally, at the bottom, they become loyal buyers. A marketing funnel is a model. It represents the customer journey. It starts with the first interaction. It ends with a purchase. Affiliates play a crucial role in online sales funnels. They attract traffic through various channels. Think of a physical funnel. It guides liquid into a narrow opening. A marketing funnel is similar. Affiliates guide potential customers through the funnel stages. By capturing emails, affiliates can start email campaigns. These campaigns nurture leads and drive conversions. The marketing funnel has 5 main stages: awareness, interest, decision, action, retention. Each of these stages plays a crucial role in guiding potential customers from the first encounter with your brand to becoming loyal advocates. Awareness. The customer becomes aware of your brand or product. This could be through advertising, social media, or word of mouth. It's the first impression, and it's vital to make it count. Effective strategies here include eye-catching ads, engaging social media posts, and positive word of mouth. Interest. The customer shows interest in your product or service. They might visit your website, read your blog posts, or follow you on social media. At this stage, your content should be informative and engaging, sparking curiosity and encouraging further exploration. Decision. The customer is considering buying your product. They might compare you to competitors or read reviews. Providing clear, compelling information and showcasing positive testimonials can help sway their decision in your favor. Action. The customer makes a purchase. This is the ultimate goal of the marketing funnel. Ensuring a smooth and satisfying purchasing process is key to converting interest into action. Retention. The customer continues to buy from you and becomes loyal to your brand. Building a strong relationship through excellent customer service, loyalty programs, and consistent communication keeps them coming back. Each stage requires different marketing strategies. For example, at the awareness stage, you need to focus on reach and brand awareness. This might involve broad advertising campaigns and social media outreach. At the decision stage, you need to provide more detailed information and address customer concerns. This could include detailed product descriptions, FAQs, and responsive customer service to answer any questions they might have. Finally, at the retention stage, maintaining customer satisfaction is crucial. Personalized follow-ups, thank you emails, and reward programs can help in keeping the customers engaged and loyal to your brand. Affiliates use landing pages to capture emails, which are then used to send targeted email campaigns. These campaigns provide value and build trust, eventually leading to conversions. Let's dive into how each stage works and how affiliates can optimize them. If you're getting value out of this lesson, please take a minute to like, share, and subscribe. Affiliates face challenges at every stage of the funnel. Attracting traffic. It's hard to stand out in a crowded market. Capturing emails. Getting visitors to share their contact information can be difficult. Converting leads. Customers may be hesitant to buy due to price, competition, or lack of information. Action. Making the checkout process smooth and easy is crucial. Retention. Keeping customers happy and coming back for more is an ongoing challenge. These challenges can lead to customer drop-off. Email campaigns are a powerful tool to overcome these challenges. By providing valuable content and offers, affiliates can keep their audience engaged and move them closer to conversion. Section 5. AI to the rescue. Supercharging your funnel with ChatGPT. AI can help overcome funnel challenges. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool. It can create personalized landing pages that capture emails and deliver products. These landing pages provide value to the viewer, making them more likely to convert. Imagine ChatGPT as your marketing assistant. It can help you write better content, personalize emails, and even chat with customers in real time. By leveraging AI, affiliates can optimize their funnels and achieve better results. Section 6. The Super Funnel. A paradigm shift in digital marketing. A super funnel is a funnel enhanced by AI. It uses AI to personalize the customer journey. This leads to higher conversion rates and increased revenue. The super funnel is data-driven and constantly optimized. Think of a super funnel as a funnel on steroids. It's faster, smarter, and more efficient. AI analyzes customer data to personalize the experience. This leads to more relevant content and offers. Section 7. ChatGPT in action. Building your super funnel, step by step. Here's how to use ChatGPT to build a super funnel. First, content creation. This is the foundation of your funnel. Use ChatGPT to create engaging content for each stage. It can generate blog posts, social media updates, and even video scripts. For example, blog posts for awareness, case studies for decision. This ensures that your content is tailored to the needs of your audience at every step. Second, personalization. ChatGPT can personalize emails and website content. Imagine sending emails that speak directly to the interests of each recipient. This creates a more relevant experience for each customer. Personalized content can significantly increase engagement and conversion rates. Third, chatbots. Use ChatGPT to power your chatbots. These chatbots can handle a variety of customer interactions. This provides instant customer support and answers questions 24/7. It ensures that your customers always have access to the information they need. By using ChatGPT at each stage, you can create a more personalized and effective funnel. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also drives business growth. Section 8. ChatGPT prompts for each stage of the super funnel. In this section, we will explore how to effectively use ChatGPT prompts to guide your audience through each stage of the marketing funnel, ensuring a seamless and engaging customer journey. Here are some specific prompts to use with ChatGPT to maximize your marketing efforts and drive conversions at every stage of the funnel. Awareness. Write a catchy headline for a Facebook ad about your product/service. This will help grab the attention of potential customers and make them aware of what you offer. Interest. Create a list of 5 blog post ideas about your industry niche. These blog posts should be informative and engaging, sparking interest in your audience and encouraging them to learn more about your offerings. Decision. Write a product comparison guide between your product and competitors' product. This guide should highlight the unique features and benefits of your product, helping potential customers make an informed decision. Action. Write an email sequence to nurture leads who abandoned their cart. This sequence should include personalized messages and special offers to encourage them to complete their purchase. Retention. Draft a customer survey to gather feedback on your product/service. Use this feedback to improve your offerings and keep your customers satisfied and loyal. These prompts will help you get started with using ChatGPT for your marketing. By leveraging these tailored prompts, you can create compelling content that resonates with your audience and drives them through each stage of the super funnel, ultimately leading to higher conversions and customer satisfaction. Section 9. Measuring the success of your super funnel. It's important to track key metrics. This helps you understand what's working and what's not. Here are some key metrics to track. Conversion rate. The percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, like making a purchase. Customer lifetime value, CLTV. The total revenue a customer generates for your business over their lifetime. Return on investment, ROI. The profit generated from your marketing campaigns. By monitoring these metrics, you can continuously optimize your super funnel for better results. Section 10. The future of marketing funnels. AI-powered and data-driven. AI is transforming marketing funnels. AI personalizes the customer journey. It helps marketers make data-driven decisions. The future of marketing is AI-powered and data-driven. By embracing AI, businesses can gain a competitive edge and drive growth. Section 11. Conclusion. Unleashing the power of AI for marketing success. Marketing funnels are essential for business growth. AI, specifically ChatGPT, can enhance every stage of the funnel. By understanding the funnel and leveraging AI, marketers can create a super funnel. This leads to increased conversions and revenue. Embrace the power of AI and transform your marketing today. Please check out all my free lessons and subscribe for the next one.